buckle cannon retractor, which is also known as self-supporting cannon retractor. It is used to move canine in distal as well as palatal direction. It is mainly indicated in cases of buccally placed canines and canines placed high in the vestibule. To fabricate self-supporting canine retractor, use 0.7 mm stainless steel wire. Now, make coil of about 4 mm internal diameter using Young's plier. The coil is placed midway between initial and final position of the canine in the buccal sulcus. This is the initial position of the canine and the final position of the canine will be here. So position of the coil should be somewhere midway between initial and final position of canine. The mesial arm or the active arm of buccal canine retractor, it should be away from the soft tissue. Here you can see it is away from the soft tissue and it should run parallel to the root of the canine. At about middle third of the canine, a right angle bend is given to the active arm and it is adapted on the mesial surface of the canine. Now mark this middle third of the canine on wire and place a right angle bend. After giving this right angle bend, adapt this active arm on mesial side of canine. Now gradually give curve with Young's plier. So this is how you have to adapt this mesial arm on mesial surface of the canine. The distal arm of the coil, which is towards the soft tissue, is adapted to the mesial aspect of second premolar. Now mark a point at imaginary occlusal contact point. Now place a bend at this point. Mark another point. Place a 90-degree bend. Now gradually adapt this wire with palatal contour. So this is how you have to adapt the retentive arm along the palatal contour. Now make a tag arm. By giving a loop and then reopen it. Compress both the ends of loop with the help of plier so that the shape of tag arm will appear as a teardrop. Now perform the similar procedure on other side. Now I'll show you how the activation is done for buccal canine retractor. Activation is done by closing the helix or coil. So this was all about buccal canine retractor or self-supported type of canine retractor. Now to fabricate supportive type of canine retractor, it is formed using 0.5 to 0.6 mm stainless steel wire, and the retentive arm of such spring should be reinforced with plastic or metal sleeve.